Are you tired of trying complicated diets that just don't work? What if I told you that something as simple as a cucumber could be your secret weapon to burning fat fast? It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But stick around because in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can use cucumbers to lose that excess weight quickly, naturally, and the best part, without starving yourself. We're diving deep into the science and practical tips. Hey there, health champions. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, and I'm super passionate about sharing science-backed health tips, effective weight loss hacks, and natural wellness strategies to help you live your absolute best life. Today's video is all about one of the most underrated superfoods probably chilling in your fridge right now, the mighty cucumber. We're going to explore how these green powerhouses can help you shed pounds quickly, how to use them effectively for maximum benefit, and I'll even share a few tasty recipes that will keep your meals exciting and slimming. So if you're ready to transform your approach to weight loss, grab a notebook, maybe even a glass of water, cucumber infused perhaps, and get ready, because this information might just change the way you look at dieting forever. We're not talking about fads here. We're talking about real food, real results, and a healthier you. Let's get into it and unlock the power of cucumbers together. You won't want to miss a single detail, trust me on this one. Let's dive into why cucumbers are a big deal for burning fat and improving health. You see them in salads, but their power goes beyond just looking pretty. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating, composed of about 95% water. Proper hydration is crucial for metabolism and burning calories efficiently. Cucumbers are also low in calories, only about 16 per cup. You can eat a lot, feel satisfied, and consume very few calories. This makes cucumbers a smart food choice for weight loss. They also provide dietary fiber, aiding digestion and satiety. So cucumbers help you feel full and support your weight loss goals. Now that we know why cucumbers are so good for us, let's dive into how they specifically help you lose weight quickly. It's one thing to be a superfood, but how does that translate into actual pounds shed? The first major mechanism is appetite control. The high water and fiber content in cucumbers is a dynamic duo for making you feel full. When you eat cucumbers, they physically expand in your stomach, sending satiety signals to your brain much faster and keeping them there longer than, say, a handful of chips. This means you're less likely to reach for more food, naturally reducing your overall calorie intake without feeling like you're constantly battling hunger. Next up is detoxification. Your kidneys and liver are your body's primary detox organs, and they need plenty of water to function efficiently. Since cucumbers are about 95% water, they significantly contribute to your hydration status, helping your kidneys flush out waste products and toxins more effectively. A well-hydrated system is a more efficient system, and this can indirectly support weight loss by ensuring your body is running smoothly and not burdened by excess waste. The low-calorie, high-volume benefit deserves another mention here, specifically in the context of quick weight loss. To lose weight, you need to create a calorie deficit, meaning you burn more calories than you consume. Cucumbers make this incredibly easy. You can replace high-calorie, low-nutrient snacks or side dishes with cucumbers and drastically cut your calorie intake without reducing the actual volume of food you're eating. Imagine swapping a 200-calorie bag of pretzels for a 30-calorie serving of cucumber sticks with a light dip. That's a significant saving that adds up quickly over days and weeks, leading to noticeable weight loss. Cucumbers can also help with reducing water retention and bloating, which can often make you feel heavier and less comfortable. They have mild diuretic properties, meaning they can help your body excrete excess water and sodium. If you're feeling puffy, especially after a salty meal, incorporating cucumbers can help you de-bloat and see a quicker change on the scale and in how your clothes fit. This isn't fat loss per se, but it contributes to looking and feeling slimmer, which is incredibly motivating. Okay team, let's dive into practical tips for fast weight loss. Use cucumbers to boost your weight loss. Incorporate them into your daily routine. Make cucumber detox water. Slice cucumbers, add to water, and infuse. Add lemon, mint, or ginger for flavor. Sip throughout the day to stay hydrated. Try cucumber snacks for midday cravings. Keep pre-sliced cucumbers in the fridge. Grab a handful when hunger strikes. Pair with healthy dips like hummus. It's a better choice than chips. Make cucumber the star of your dinner. A large cucumber salad is filling and low calorie. Add lean protein for a complete meal. Try a cucumber smoothie for variety. Blend cucumbers with spinach, apple, and lemon. Enjoy these tips for fast weight loss. Chapter 4. The 3-Day Cucumber Kickstart Plan. Your fast track to feeling lighter. For those who love a structured plan and want quick results, Here's a simple 3-day cucumber kickstart plan. It's designed to help you de-bloat and feel lighter, but it's not for long-term use. Always listen to your body. Let's dive into day 1. For breakfast, blend half a cucumber, spinach, green apple, lemon juice, and water or almond milk. This will start your day hydrated and nutrient-packed. For a mid-morning snack, have cucumber slices with chili flakes or black pepper. This will tide you over until lunch. For lunch, prepare a large salad with cucumber, grilled chicken or chickpeas, mixed greens, and a light vinaigrette. Focus on a satisfying portion that fills you up. For an afternoon snack, have cucumber sticks with Greek yogurt seasoned with dill or garlic powder. For dinner, have grilled fish or tofu with steamed vegetables and a cucumber salad. Drink plenty of water, ideally cucumber infused throughout the day. Moving on to day 2 of our kickstart. Chapter 5. Playing it safe, cautions and best practices for your cucumber journey. Now, as much as I'm championing cucumbers for weight loss, it's super important that we talk about some cautions and best practices. We want this journey to be healthy, sustainable, and safe for everyone. The first and most crucial point is to remember that cucumbers, while amazing, are not a magic bullet. A truly healthy and effective weight loss plan relies on a balanced diet. This means incorporating a variety of other whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Cucumbers should be of this balanced approach, not the entirety of it. Next up, let's talk about preparation, specifically washing your cucumbers. Like all fresh produce, cucumbers can have pesticide residues on their skin or bacteria from handling and transportation. It's absolutely essential to wash them thoroughly under running water before you eat them, especially if you plan on eating the skin, which I highly recommend. You can use a soft vegetable brush to gently scrub the skin. This simple step can significantly reduce your exposure to unwanted substances and ensure food safety, which is paramount. On that note, should you peel your cucumbers? My general advice, if you've washed them well, and ideally if you can get organic ones, is to peel them. The skin of the cucumber is where a lot of the good stuff resides. It contains a good amount of fiber, some vitamins, and those beneficial compounds like silica we talked about earlier. By peeling it, you're missing out on some of these nutritional benefits. Of course, if you buy conventionally grown cucumbers and are concerned about wax or pesticide residues even after washing, or if you simply prefer them peeled, that's okay too. But nutritionally, the skin is a winner. Chapter 6. Real people, real results, cucumber success stories. Hearing from real people who have put these principles into practice and seen results is truly inspiring. Let's highlight a few stories to show the impact of adding cucumbers to your diet. Sarah, a busy mom, struggled with afternoon cravings for sugary snacks. She tried the cucumber snack hack and felt more energized, losing 5 pounds in 2 weeks. John, with a desk job, replaced soda and chips with cucumber-infused water and snacks. He lost belly fat and felt healthier within a month. Maria used the 3-day cucumber kickstart plan and felt lighter and more energetic. Now it's your turn. I genuinely challenge you to try adding cucumbers into your diet this week. Seriously, pick one thing. Whether it's making a pitcher of cucumber detox water to sip on throughout the day, swapping your usual afternoon snack for some crunchy cucumber sticks, or adding a big cucumber salad to your dinner. Just make that one simple change and pay attention to how your body responds. And if you're truly serious about transforming your health and want to dive deeper, I've created a free, downloadable cucumber weight loss guide. It's packed with bonus recipes, extra tips, and a more detailed meal plan. You can find the link in the description below. So there you have it. Cucumbers aren't just for fancy spa facials or a forgotten garnish on the side of your plate. They are a powerful, natural, and incredibly effective tool that you can use to help you lose weight quickly and safely. The best part? They're cheap, readily available pretty much everywhere, and so easy to prepare. Remember, consistency is the absolute key to success in any health endeavor. Start small, stay committed to incorporating these healthy habits, and don't rely on so-called miracle solutions. Use real whole foods like cucumbers to support your goals, and trust me, your body will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, and I really hope you did, please don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Share it with anyone you think might benefit from learning about the power of cucumbers. And of course, subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on more science-backed health tips, weight loss hacks, and wellness strategies. Thanks so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video.